Hello everyone. Let's talk about disposal and the recognition of assets. Suppose you held assets for some time and you depreciated them and now you want to remove them from the asset register. So you can have three options. Sell the asset or retire the asset while it is fully depreciated or not yet fully depreciated, or you can exchange assets, old asset against new asset. Whatever method you use, you must remove accumulated depreciation and determine the book value at the time when you sell, retire, or exchange the asset. So if you retire the asset, what you will do? You will remove the asset and you will remove accumulated depreciation. So the normal balance for accumulated depreciation is credit. Now you will debit accumulated depreciation. And normal balance when you buy and hold the asset is debit. Now it would be credited. So if the historical cost was 32,000 and the asset was fully depreciated, then the book value is zero and accumulated depreciation is 32,000 as well. And you retire the asset, so it would be debit accumulated depreciation 32,000 and credit equipment 32,000. But once you've done it, you can continue using this asset as long as it is functional and you can operate it. And there are many cases when the economic life of the asset exceeds the accounting life, the useful life of the asset by a large magnitude, like equipment from 100 years ago. Then the next method is retirement before full depreciation. So remember that with full depreciation, the book value of asset is zero. But if you retire before full depreciation, then the book value is bigger than zero. But if you get what you have here, the asset still has the value, still has book value, but you getting rid of it, although the book value is still positive, which means that you will experience the loss. So in this case, the historical cost of asset was 18,000. The accumulated depreciation was 14,000. So which means the book value is positive figure. Historical cost minus accumulated depreciation, 4,000 is the book value. But then you retire that asset completely. So in this case, you will have a loss. Loss will be debited. Loss will be treated as if it is expense, similar to expense. So therefore, the balance would be debit, and as in the previous case, fully depreciated asset retirement, debit accumulated depreciation, remove it, and against the historical cost of equipment, 18,000.